Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply boost your FPS and improve performance for your Modern Warfare game. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just click here to options, go to general, and let's start. I recommend having all the graphics processing limit temperature enabled, so you see actually like okay how it's working out. And then let's go further. What you can do is like go to graphics, and now like display mode, go to full screen. When you will have it, just choose your display adapter, the main one. Render resolution, if you go lower, also the quality will be lower, but your PC will be much faster. Now vertical synchronization, have it disabled, and like choose custom frame limit, and you can like, I don't know, pick it or something else if you want to. Then you're gonna see like NVIDIA highlights here that you can enable if you want to, but don't do that. And now texture resolution, go with a very low, and also I would recommend with the particle quality and texture filter anisotropic to low too. And then just also if you have CPU lower, go with the bulk impacts and sprays to disable. Now I recommend like shadow map resolution, definitely go to low, and also disable all the shadows. It's like completely useless to have shadows. And that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody very much. If you have any questions, ask them down below in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.